Alright you guys, little update on the COOT, the progress so far, and no, you're not upside down. The COOT's upside down. We pulled this thing in here, flipped it upside down, and because of the rot that I had in the rear compartment of the COOT, it was so bad I figured might as well just cut the whole thing out and start from scratch. So this is where we're at. It's upside down, it's in here. I come down 2 inches all the way around the perimeter, cut that out, and then we're going to start welding it back together. The COOT, this piece on the COOT right here, you can see that in the middle. It's the extra support for the rear transmission area differential. So I just used some 1/8 inch angle iron both sides, and then some 12 gauge here, 12 gauge there. As you can see, that the COOT has this piece that's a little heavier reinforced over the axles, and it comes, you know, down. This would be upside down, down and up and around. So we're gonna do 14 or 12 gauge here, weld that all in solid. Then the whole floor will be at a 14 gauge, and I'll clean that up. I'll overlap it 1 inch and clean this all up. This rusty metal does not like welding. I can usually get a pretty good bead laid in there, but it's for that rust is just kind of hard. So I'm going to try to do a video on this once a week and post this maybe on Fridays. I'm not 100% sure, just to give you guys an update on where I'm at with the COOT. I think it's going along pretty good though. I don't know how, you know, somebody's probably had one of these disassembled this far. My vision is get this thing put back to waterproof, watertight, and then rhino line the whole inside and the outside with I want to do a tan brown, and then the wheels, I want to keep these wheels, pull them apart, do those black. Let's see, where is it? It's over here. The roll bar black, keep the handlebars white, because I think that's pretty cool having those original handlebars in there. Anyway, give this video a like, subscribe if you're interested in this kind of thing, hit the notification bell, and like I said, I'm going to try to do a video once a week on this project, time permitting. I won't have one up next week. I'll be leaving Oregon this next week, and so I won't have one up this next Friday, but the following Friday, look for that video, and hopefully we'll have the CNC machine up, and we'll be cutting the floor out and getting it bent to match that one, and weld it back in here, and that should fix the rear end. And then we've got to work on the front end. There's not a whole lot. I think I'm going to do just some patch repairs, cut these pieces out here. The drain hole, that whole piece needs to come out, and then I've got a spot here that needs to be repaired. So that's my plan, is to kind of fix that up and go from there. Anyway, like I said, give me a like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell. If you want to see some more of these videos, comment please. I appreciate all your support. Have a good night.